Hello friends and welcome once again. This is CA Rajiv Khatawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis, and today is 8th of February 2021. Right now around 9:35 a.m. and the markets again open in an up gap. The series of up gaps continue, and we are right now almost 170 points plus in case of Nifty. And Bank Nifty, again, there is an up gap open at 668. So I think there is a lot of short covering happening right now. And probability is very high that from the upper levels, the upper levels will not get sustained. But let us see what are the technical levels for today. So for the Nifty, the trend deciding level today is 15,070. Right now we are around 15,088, and if that is broken, the trend deciding level is broken. In that case, we will see initially 15,006, and second target is 14,952. On the upper side, as you can observe, the first calculated level was 15,123. The Nifty actually made a high of 15,119, and from there there has been some resistance on the upside beyond 15,123. The second level is 15,153. The trend deciding level is an important level for those of you who are new to this video. If the prices are above that level, it is positive, and if it is below, then it is considered to be negative. Bank Nifty again has, as I said, opened in an up gap. The technical parameters tell us that this upward movement will not be sustained. On the upside, there is a resistance at 36,692, whereas the trend deciding level for today is 36,188. Right now we are at 36,327 approximately. On the lower side, if the trend deciding level is broken, we should target 35,781 and thereafter 35,332. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. Let us see in case of Tata Motors. Well, Tata Motors opened positively. The trend deciding level for today is 322. On the upside, there is a resistance, a strong resistance, as I can observe, at 331 and thereafter 338. On the lower side, the initial support for the stock is at 312. Please note that in case of Tata Motors, any closing below 312 will be treated as negative. Reliance Industries, though it has opened gap up, it is right now quoting below the trend deciding level. The trend deciding level is 1938. We are at right now at 1934. On the lower side, we should initially target 1916 and thereafter 1900. On the upside, very strong resistance nearer to 1950 levels. So overall, even in case of Reliance, any upward movement should be treated as corrective. Please note that any closing below 1900 will be treated, that is my second level, it will be treated as a sign of weakness. HDFC Bank, the trend deciding level is at around 1611. We are almost at that level right now. And on the upper side, there is resistance at 1624. The prices may not be able to sustain those levels at 1624. On the lower side, 1600 is your initial target and 1591 is your second target. Here also, if we draw the trend lines, etc., we come to know that any closing below 1590 will be treated as a sign of further weakness. So these are the intraday levels for the Nifty and the key stocks, Bank Nifty and the key stocks. I hope you will be having a good trading day. Yesterday we had a very interesting session, Sunday session, and those of you who have attended can observe the price action in those stocks. Thank you very much.